Alright, welcome everyone to this video. This video will take a look at question 242, valid anagram on Leetcode. This is part of our blind 75 playlist on Leetcode, where we go through blind 75 questions. So let's begin. So in this one, we're given two strings s and t, and we want to return true if t is an anagram of s and false otherwise. So anagram is basically a phrase or word which is formed by rearranging the letters, form a different word or phrase, and all of the letters are used exactly once. So basically here, you can think of it as just like it just rearranges the word, right, in any sort of way. So, there's obvious like easy ways to solve this, right? So probably one of the easiest ones is you can just sort the two words, and if you sort the two words and it's exactly the same word, then you have an anagram. So we can maybe start off with a simple solution like that. So sorted t is equal to sorted s, right? We can start off with this one, and this should basically return the correct answer. Oh, this is one way that it could work. Another way, which is, and this is not good because this one I'll do n log n in terms of time. Another way is, why don't we actually really understand like what exactly anagram is? So it's just rearranging the letters, right? So if you think about it, the amount of letters, the count of letters, for example, n here, n appears just once here, n should also appear once here. A appears twice here, A should appear twice here. So why don't we do something like that? Why don't we count the number of letters in T, count the number of letters in S, we'll store this as frequencies, and then basically those frequency graphs, those frequency dictionaries should be exactly the same. So we can actually do this very easily in Python using something called a counter. So if you have a word, like let's just say you have A, B, A, and you do like counter of this, well, this would just return a dictionary where A is mapped to 2 and B is mapped to 1. So it's basically like a frequency counter. So something we could do is we could do return counter S is equal to counter T. And this actually turns out to be probably the best solution here because it's just linear in time. You go through S, you go through T, and that's all you need to do. So that was this question. It's pretty easy, but I think it helps to just understand what exactly the question's saying so you can really figure out a simple solution. Okay, thanks for watching.